Hi, welcome to this new video of an explanation for how to carry out this next task. Hopefully it's something you're interested in working with me on. It's a little bit more involved, but there's not as many data points, so hopefully it'll work out for the best. We are looking to work on this particular spreadsheet here, and you'll see that I have copied in the locations. You're probably familiar with these because you've seen so many of them. What I need to do is each one of these locations has like an administrative council that runs it, and I need an email address for each of these councils. Now, not all of them have them, and that's okay, but it takes a little bit of research to find out if they do. So if we start with Aberdeenshire, what we'll do is we'll just open up a web browser and we'll type in Aberdeenshire and then council. They'll all be called council, Aberdeenshire Council. So you can see that this brings up Aberdeenshire County Council. They're always going to end in .gov.uk if they're genuine. So if it ends in something different, it's probably not what we're looking for. But let's just double check that. You can see here there is a contact the council link which I've clicked on. And then looking down, can't see any obvious email addresses anywhere here. Have to dig in a little bit deeper, maybe local offices. And we can see a few here. So worst case scenario, we would just take any one of these on the basis that when I send an email to it, if it's a wrong one, hopefully they'll forward it to the right place internally. I'm just going to have another look though just to see if there's a more generic email address. That's what I really want, the generic email address for each. You can see here that there isn't any. It's just phone numbers. So we go back. We choose any one of these one email addresses. Copy. Open spreadsheet back up. And paste. Now the next one is Angus. So this will be Angus Council. We click here. Just run a search in Google for Angus Council. Again, notice it's .gov.uk. There's a nice easy contact the council link, which might be a good place to start. We'll click it, and again, nothing obvious, nothing easy. So we scroll down. These are all forms that they want us to use. Well, we don't want to use an inquiry form. If we click it, perhaps it'll take us to an email address. So let's just explore. Nope. This wants you to sign in with an account. This is no good. Can't see anything obvious. So we may conclude on this one that we can't find an email address. That's okay. We'll just try one more time. It just takes us back. We're sort of looping back to this page. Talk to us is going to bring up a chat window probably. Again, no good for this. So we'll cross it off. We'll just put an X, we couldn't find one, and we'll move on to Antrim. And same, and we'll just carry on this process and try and get as many of these email addresses as we can. If you find after doing 20 or 30 of these data points that in fact you're struggling to find email addresses, then please just let me know before carrying on, because I don't want to waste your time really. I've managed to find a few here. I would say that probably one in 2 or 1 in 3 is coming up with an email address. So let's just try Cornwall. Let's see if we strike it lucky this time. Cornwall Council. And contacting the council. Contact us online, possibly. If you're looking for a specific thing, if you get to this, planning is the one we would need. So we'll click on planning. Still can't see an email address here. And again, this just wants us to fill out a form, so that's no good. Go back to the main council website. Scroll down, go back to contacting the council. Apply, pay, live chat report. Out of hours emergency. Struggling to find an email address here. basically any email address will do if it comes to this. So the other thing we might try is Cornwall Council email addresses. Okay, so instantly Google's helped us out here. It's brought one up. This will do. So we'll copy this email address and we will paste it in. Now, it may take a little bit of detective work for you to find these email addresses. So it may take a little bit more time than it would just copy and paste that single data point. Well, it will take a little bit more time. And I'm keen to get as many as I can. Hopefully that sort of explains what I'm after. So yeah, let me know if you want to do this project with me. Thanks very much.